Okay, Tori. I'm rolling.
Scared? You're never scared.
You're...
If I get hurt, I'll each owe you $5.
Okay.
Sounds good to me.
If I make it safe, you both owe me $1.
I like that deal.
$2, Pops.
Ready?
Yep.
Ready?
Ready?
Ready. On your mark. Get.
Wait. Let me move the snow. Okay, ready?
Try to jump right here.
Ready?
Ready.
Get it over with, Tori.
Ah! Oh, yeah.
Okay, I'm doing it one more time.
Okay, one more time.
One more?
Well, anyway, that means you owe us each $1, right?
No, if I made it safe.
Yes.
You said if you made it safe, you owe each of me and Mommy $1.
No, if I get
And
hurt.
if you hurt yourself, we give you $5, remember?
No, I said if I hurt myself, you owe me $5. And if I make it safe, it's only $1. But that deal's cut off.
Yeah, well, but I have it recorded on tape, so we could hear what you said earlier. Uh-oh.
Mom, can I have Papa?
Okay.